All right, towel nerds, are you wondering why darker colored towels will bleed either in the wash or while detailing, while light colored towels will not? Well, I'm going to tell you all about it in this video. First, we got to understand why towels bleed in the first place. So the molecules on darker dyes are actually larger and heavier than the molecules on lighter colored towels. And the more absorbent a towel is, which of course we're trying to create absorbent towels here at Auto Fiber, the less likely it is to retain that molecule when it gets wet. And so what you'll see is a darker colored towel will bleed onto lighter colored towels if you wash them together or if you are mixing them together in some of your detailing process. And as a matter of fact, some people will have dye stain PPF or clear bra on their car if they leave a dark dyed towel on that clear bra. They come in the next morning and the clear bra is damaged. So it can bleed out of these darker colored towels. So that's why we use lighter colored towels on interior. We use a light gray or we even use a white because they are less likely to transfer that dye, that molecule, into the interior of a car causing a stain. And so it's the same in reverse. If you were to clean your wheel with a white towel, it stains easier. And so that's why we separate our towels by color. So if I clean my wheel with this, it's going to get dirty. And no matter how clean I get it from the wash, it's still going to have that dark color, even though the towel itself will be clean. So it's very important to understand that color separating your towels is important to have interior towels, to have final white towels, to have wheel flips, which are dark colored towel for wheels, so that we don't get that dye transfer and vice versa. So I hope that gave you some insight as to why we don't mix colors in the wash or why detailing and why we separate our towels by use and color.